12,000 jobs gone. Just like that. TCS, one of the India's biggest tech giant, just made its boldest move yet, cutting over 12,000 mid and senior level employees. But here's the thing, this is not just one-off event. It's the third largest tech layoff of 2025 globally. Yes, you heard that right. TCS is not alone. Across the globe, tech giants are slashing thousands of jobs. So what's really going on? And what does it mean for your career, especially if you are in tech? Let's break it down fast. This is not just cost cutting. This is AI forcing a total workforce reset. TCS targeted employees who were unbilled, not on client project, for 3 to 18 months. These were not fresher. They were senior, experienced. Why? Because AI is changing what companies value. No more bloated teams. Now it's all about high impact roles, data science, cloud, AI integration. If you don't directly contribute to complex, revenue driving project, you are on thin ice. This is the same pattern we are seeing globally. TCS 12,000 layoff make it the third largest tech layoff of 2025 so far. But who's above them? Let's look at the leaderboard. Intel lead the pack, cutting over 25,000 jobs, including 20% of its workforce, and shutting down its automotive chip division. Microsoft is next. Just in July is laid off 9,000 more employees after previous round in May, April and January, totaling over 19,000 jobs gone this year. Amazon's AW slashed 100 of roles this month, on the top of 1,900 jobs cut earlier this year. Meta laid off 3,600 workers in January. Google quietly trimmed 75 jobs from its TV team, around 25% of that department. And Panasonic, a staggering 10,000 job cuts in May to boost profits. This is not just a trend, it's a transformation. Back home, the impact is brutal. Freshers are left hanging, unsure if their offer letters are even matter. Later hires are being told, don't wait for us. And campuses, especially Tier 2 and Tier 3 colleges, they are in placement chaos. Students report mass ghosting after offers. One student put it simply, "We had hope, now it's just silence." And yet, this is not just about job lost. It is about trust broken. India's education system is running on old code. We are still teaching 2010 level skills, while the industry needs 2030 level specialists. Former Cognizant Ramkumar Ramamurthy nailed it. Unless we embed AI into engineering, law, business, and liberal arts, India is not preparing students for the future. And the results? Graduate can't meet industry needs. Company can't find talent that fits. And the gap keeps growing. So here your reality check. The global tech world is evolving and it's doing it fast. Companies are building leaner teams, hire fewer people, paying more for impact. If your skills are not aligned, you risk being left behind. The only way forward, adapt, reskill, specialize. And for companies, it's time to be honest with employees. Ghosting fresher is not future ready, it's just irresponsible. The AI wave is here. Sink or swim, it's up to us. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button for more real talk on tech, jobs and the future of work.